Dear students, now we have to solve numerical problem number 13. In numerical problem number 13, we have to find absolute error and relative error in percentage and in parts per thousand PPT. In question 13, measured values and accepted values are given. For measured values are given, MV stand for measured values. A, B, C, D, for measured values are given and for accepted values are given. We have to find each of the measured and accepted value part A, B, C, D. We have to calculate absolute error in each part and relative error in percentage and PPT parts per thousand in each of the following. Now students, we have to solve part A. In part A, first of all, we have to find out absolute error. As we know that absolute error is equal to measured value, MV stand for measured value minus ASB accepted value. So we have to put the measured value and accepted value from part A. Measured value is equal to 22.62. Accepted value is equal to 22.57 gram. By solving this, we obtain the absolute error, which is equal to 0.05 gram. Now we have to calculate relative error. Percentage relative error. As we know that relative error or percentage relative error is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 100%. Now put the value. Accepted error is equal to absolute error is equal to 0.05 gram over accepted value, which is equal to 22.57, which is accepted value, multiply with 100. By solving this, we obtain answer percentage relative error, which is equal to 0.22%. And second part, we have also calculated PPT parts per thousand. PPT is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 1000. Putting these values, 0.05 over 22.57 multiply with 1000. By calculating this, we obtain answer, which is equal to 2.21%. PPT. This is our required answer. Thank you. Now students, we have to solve B part of numerical problem number 13. By using the measured value and accepted value of part B, we have to calculate the absolute error, relative percentage error and parts per thousand. First of all, we have to find absolute error. As we know that absolute error is equal to measured value minus accepted value So now put the value of measured value 45.02 minus accepted value is equal to 45.35. By solving this, we obtain answer which is equal to minus 0.29 ml. After that, we have to find out percentage relative error. Now, as we know that relative error is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 100. By putting up these value, minus 0.29 over 45.31 multiply with 100. By solving this, we obtain answer of percentage relative error which is equal to minus 0.64%. Now third part, we have to find parts per thousand PPT which is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 100. Now putting the values, minus multiply with 1000 minus 0.29 over 45.31 multiply with 1000. By multiplying and dividing, we obtain answer which is equal to minus 6.4 ppt parts per thousand. This is the solution of numerical problem number 13, part B. Now students, we have to solve the part C of numerical problem number 13. We have to find absolute error, percentage relative error and parts per thousand. Let's solve. First of all, we have to find absolute error. Now I am solving direct. You know all the formulas used in these parts. Measured value which we obtained in part C is equal to 2.68 minus accepted value which is equal to 2.71. By solving this, we obtain answer which is equal to minus 0.03%. After that, we have to find the relative error. Percentage relative error. As we know that relative error is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 100. Absolute error is equal to minus 0.03 over accepted value which is equal to 2.71 multiply with 100. By multiplying and dividing, we obtain answer which is equal to minus 1.1% of percentage relative error. Now we have to calculate parts per thousand PPT which is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 1000. By putting value 0.03 absolute error over 2.71 multiply with 1000. By multiplying and dividing, we obtain answer which is equal to minus 11 ppt. Students, we have to calculate the part D, which is the last part of numerical problem number 13. Measured value and accepted value are given. Part D. First of all, we have to find absolute error. I am putting the values directly. Measured value, which is equal to 85.6 centimeter, minus accepted value, which is equal to 85. By solving this, we obtain absolute error, which is equal to 0.6 centimeter. Now we have to calculate percentage relative error, which is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 100. Now putting the value 0.6 over 85 multiply with 100, we obtain the value of percentage relative error, which is equal to 0.70%. The last part is we have to calculate part per thousand, which is equal to absolute error over accepted value multiply with 1000. Now putting value 0.6 over 85 multiply with 1000. By solving this, we obtain the value which is equal to 7.05 ppm, which is our required answer of part D, parts per thousand.